morning, everybody, and welcome to another edition of Baking Commotions with Miss Nevotion. Welcome. Saturday morning, we are here again. So today I'm really excited. We have a special guest today, Miss Sharay. Our older daughter that we've been talking a lot about has joined me this morning for our third episode, which I'm really excited about. Sharay also loves to bake, so this is a thing that we have in common that we enjoy doing when we can. So I'm excited that she's here today. So the recipe that we're doing is actually we're making my husband her father's birthday cake today. So it's a chocolate bundt cake with cream cheese filling. It's low carb and gluten free.
So the first thing that we're going to want to do here is to ensure that the cake batter does not stick to the bundt pan. So we're going to grease the pan really nice. Make sure all the sides and the inside is completed. Then we're going to coat the pan with some cocoa powder here. So you just want to tap this evenly so that it's on the sides and the bottom of the pan. You can also use a sifter if you have that at home as well. And as I'm doing this, Sharay is working on the cream cheese filling, which consists of 1 package of cream cheese, 1/3 cup powdered sugar, and 1 large egg. So as you can see, I'm just making sure that the cocoa powder is evenly distributed throughout the pan. And then the cream cheese filling, you just want to mix till it's nice and creamy. And there's the consistency that you'll be looking for. Once that's complete, you'll just want to put the cream cheese aside. So the next step that we're going to be working on is mixing the dry materials together. So you're going to need almond flour, coconut flour, cocoa powder, salt, and baking powder. So you're first going to take the almond flour, which is 3 cups. And this is in a separate bowl, not your large mixer bowl. Then you're going to take a 1/2 cup coconut flour, a 1/2 cup cocoa powder, and 1 tablespoon baking powder and a 1/4 teaspoon salt. And you just want to mix that up so that's nice and evenly mixed together. And there's the finished product. So now we're moving on to the next step here, which you'll want to use your mixer. And again, I use a KitchenAid. So we have 3/4 cups butter and 1 1/4 cup powdered sugar. So you want to mix this so it's nice and evenly mixed together here. And then you're going to add the eggs. And then you'll make sure that that is nicely mixed together and becomes a smooth mixture. And you'll want to increase the speed as the ingredient starts to blend together. So next you'll add 1 tablespoon vanilla, 2 teaspoons apple cider vinegar, and 3/4 cup almond milk. And mix that until well blended. Then you'll add your dry mixture a little bit at a time here. And as you continue to add your dry mix, you'll need to up the speed as the mixture will start to get thicker. So just dump all of that in there and make sure it's mixed well. Then you're going to take 3/4 of your batter and place that in the bottom of the pan. Make sure it's evenly spread at the bottom. And you'll want to create a little valley for the cream cheese mixture to go in the middle. And then you're going to place the cream cheese in that little valley so it's in the center of both sides of the cake. Once that's done, you'll add the remaining mixture on top and spread evenly. And now it's time to bake. So you bake at 350 for 35 to 40 minutes. And just ensure when you take the cake out, check it with a knife or a toothpick to make sure it's baked evenly through. And then you'll want to cool before we add the chocolate ganache. Once it's cool, you want to flip it over onto a plate and let it completely cool there. Then you'll want to start working on your ganache, which is 3/4 cup heavy whipping cream and 1 cup chocolate chips. Once complete, you'll cover the cake with your chocolate ganache. And it will be runny at first, but it will harden over time. Enjoy! Happy birthday, babe!
All right, so we are done. We finished, and here is your final product. So this again is the chocolate bundt cake with cream cheese filling. It's low carb, gluten-free, and it turned out really good. I'm excited to try our pieces here. Thank you, Sharay, for joining me this morning. It was a lot of fun. We had a great time. So until next Saturday, this is Baking Commotions with Miss Nevotion and Miss Sharay. Have a great week.